You have your barriers high, 'cause you don't know you're one of a kind. You don't wanna let me, don't wanna be let down.
Let's go to where the car is parked.
Fear if you let this be, I won't be around. I see the fear in your eyes when we talk.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So welcome back to another vlog. So in case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, you're welcome. So much for coming. If you love what you see, please do not forget to subscribe. So guys, welcome to another vlog. So this morning I just finished dropping the twins. The clip you guys saw was when we were about to head out. So now I'm going to go back home, and then I'll be going to school later, and I'm just going to carry you guys along. And again, Michael lost two sons. They still at home because today they're going to be going to school by 10 o'clock, and now is about 8:30 a.m. in the morning or thereabout. So they're going to be going by 10 a.m. because they have a so they're going to be going by 10 a.m. this morning because their school, they have a reunion in the school. So for that, they're going to be entering late. So after dropping them, and then I'll be going for my own classes, I'll be going to school. I'm trying to get like a diploma here. I have schooled before here, but that was in 2013. That was when I schooled and I got my A1 and A2. That's A1 and A2. And I did perfectly well then. And since then, I have not schooled again. I've been, running my things. Then home, work, families, responsibilities, and all of that. But now, so I decided to go back to school to kind of like get a diploma. So that's what I'm schooling for, because I really needed to get to do something very, very serious. So I'm just going to carry you guys along today. In the meantime, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So welcome officially to another vlog with me here, Amy Thonia. I'm gonna see you guys later, okay? Yo, now guys, before I go, please let me quickly drop this thing here. So I worked here. The first work I did here was to work with an association, Humanitarian Association, where we render help to people that really need help, and then where I go for translation. I worked as a translator here before as well in the Questura, and then so many other places for our brothers that comes through Libya and the rest of them. So what I'm saying this now is that please, if there's any way you can to help this thing that is going on in Ukraine, please kindly do. Where's that? We have been sending things, and we have been collecting some things. If you have baby food, pampers, clothes, things that are not useful to you anymore, both for kids, both for babies, both for adults, please look for a way to get. If you have, oh, that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and let the vlog begin. Okay, see you guys later. Hi guys, so I finished dropping my other two boys in school just now, and from there I went to the butcher's, right? I went to get some meat because I don't have stew. So I need to make stew, but I can't make it before I go for my own school. So I'm just going to boil the meat, and then I will keep it when I'm done with my school. My school is going to be starting from by 11:15. So yeah, it won't be enough for me to make this too. And I'll head off to school, and I'll be in my school once it's 12:30. I will leave the school. I'll go and pick my boys and bring them back home. So if I'm able to go back after settling them, I will go back. If I'm not able to go back, I will catch up through the internet. My teacher is just going to send me some work that I wasn't able to grab before leaving. That's how she do it. She's just so kind, so nice. Like she totally understand my state. So that is how I'm doing my own schooling as a mom here. And that's just it, guys. So guys, this is the meat I got. I got manzo the mocha, that's beef. So this is the first one, and opening the second one here. I don't know if you guys can see them. So guys, here it is. I already cleaned it. I'm going to spice it and put it on the heat now. I didn't use all of them since I will be adding some chicken, some fried or grilled chicken later. So I didn't use all of them. I'm going to just steam this one after spicing it, and I'll be heading off.
About being just to you and I know that you've been hurt before, and you don't wanna go near the flames and get burned again.
I am done, and I just only gotten out before.
You know that it's
Was my school payment, yeah, my school payment that I have to do this morning. So it totally escaped me before. So I am done boiling the meat. I'm going to show you guys later before I head out now. I'm going to quickly go to the post office and try to pay this. And then from there, I'm going to be entering into class. So I am already done boiling that meat. Now it's about 11 o'clock. Oh, it's almost 11. It's not yet 11 anyway. So I'll be heading out now to post office, and from there, once I'm done paying this, I will head off straight to school. And let me show you guys the meat. I'm already done with boiling it. I mean, this is another quicker way so that once I come back, I'll just go straight to making the stew. So guys, here is the stew. The meat. Look at that. Hi guys. So I'm heading off now to the post office. I'm already outside. Already after 11 already. So I just hope there are not so much people in there. I mean, I just hope I won't meet anybody in the post office so that I can be quick with it and then head straight to the school. So I think this is the last time I'm going to speak with you guys, and maybe when I'm done with school, I'll be going to brief you guys a bit again, or maybe when I'm done with school, I'll be seeing you guys. For the meantime, let me go and pay this off. Okay, see you guys later. Hi guys, so I am done paid, and I said I wasn't going to see you guys again, but see, I just want to say briefly here. See, you can't just walk into anywhere again here in Italy without your green pass. That's the certificate for COVID vaccine. You are not allowed to enter any place without it. I mean, guys, please let me know. Is it the same thing? Is it the same thing with where you are? Like, seriously, you can't enter any place right now without your green pass. I mean, the COVID vaccine certificate. Before they can even attend to you, they'll first of all ask you for the green pass. And thank God, mine is always in my bag. Like, let me know, guys, is it the same thing with wherever you are watching me from? Let me know at the comment section. Like, seriously, I think this COVID thing is really too much here in Italy. I don't know. Let me know so that I will know if I'm exaggerating or no. I mean, you may never know, right? So, see you guys later.
É hoje que demanda ali.
Dove?
Dove siamo andati l'altro venerdì.
Quello è per la festa della donna?
Sì. Io non so. Quindi siamo andati quello fuori e quando siamo stati fuori io stavo mangiando. E quando siamo fuori a entrare nella classe. L'ho fatto quando stiamo uscendo per fare l'educazione.
Hi guys. So just rounded up. I just couldn't you know. Let me remove this mask, okay, so that you guys will see me. I don't even know, it's sun in here, so I hope you can see my face. So I just picked them up now from the school. We are heading back home. So we are heading home now, and see you guys later. See you guys later.
Niente, trovo non le portare.
Martins, please don't waste our time.
I see the fear in your eyes when we talk about being just you and I know that you've been hurt before and you don't want to go near the flames and get burned again.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh, know that I see you and I still wear you and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you and I still wear you and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. This can't go on forever. The time